found something. Buenos Aires International Airport this morning. Now watch this.
Heralds.
Trail ends at the airport, but turns out that a top Providence operative owns a vineyard in the area. Don Yates, of infamous New York law firm Morgan, Yates & Cohn. And get this, it's hosting his retirement party today.
She's infiltrated them. She's sending a message. She needs my help.
Could have fooled me.
You don't know her.
Anyway, if you're going after her, you'll need to deal with the Herald. Her name's Tamara Vidal, former CIA asset and political firebrand. She's a master of surveillance and the Constant's most trusted aide. She'll have eyes everywhere. You won't get far as long as she's in the game.
Why are you telling me this? I thought you were out.
Yeah. Old habits, I guess. Anyway, I need to go. See you around, 47.
No, you won't.
Because you're not an idiot. Let's just humor him. Yates likes his little games. Don't be long.
You got my message.
You'd never get caught on camera. Not unless you wanted to be seen. So what's the play?
You're not the only one who's been busy, 47. I'm this close to becoming the next Constant. I'll be able to dismantle Providence from the inside. Only one man stands in my way. Don Yates. That weasel was the partner's legal counsel for years. He's the top candidate. But remove him from the playing field.
It won't work. If Edward suspects...
I will convince him you acted alone. Retaliation for Grey. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
The Herald, Tamara Vidal. She has eyes everywhere, and they're all fixed on you. The plan won't work unless we take her out.
She never leaves my side for long. Whatever your plan is, I'll help you if I can.
You're sure about this?
As sure as I'll ever be. Here, I got you an invitation, just like old times. Come find me when it's done. Good luck, 47.
Oh my gosh, be careful. The ground's super loose here. If we fall, we're going to be like... We won't fall.
Ready, Pam? 3, 2, 1, and... How's it looking down there? They're back wall to wall down there. Yeah. It's okay. Fixing this is no problem. How does this work? Ah, right.
Okay. We might have a possible disturbance. I'm moving to investigate. We'll keep you posted. What was that? Hello? Sure they're up for this? I don't want to piss off someone who could take my head off from 1,000 yards away. They're bored out of their wits. Go on, just pick something. It'll be fun. Hey, let's see. How fast that water? Hold on. One more tight corner.
I'm really sorry, sir. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to let you pass. Orders, you know.
You'll never come through here as long as I'm alive. Now get the fuck out of my
Recess,
face.
Your Honor.
As I said,
Is that what I think it is?
Raro.
Hey, you break it, you buy it. Why does this shit just keep on happening? Now what the hell is going on? Let's move in.
Yeah, loud and clear.
Search the area. We gotta find him. Go!
See, can do.
Got nothing.
Guarida, can you people fucking hear me? Someone's causing trouble. I don't like trouble, unless I'm the one to do it, okay?
Yeah, Central. ¿Me está escuchando? Still looking. He's not here. I know he's here. Don't let him get away.
Seguro, I want. ¿Eh? Ay, qué bonito. Yeah, hey.
I'm glad we speak the same language.
Aaron Ford Jr. Don Yates is expecting me.
Okay. Right this way, Mr. Ford.
Wine cellar during his own retirement party. What's this to you, right?
All right there. Mr. Edwards, done. Yates, I have received your letter. I merely called to express my...
can't lie. It's all DVD. The whole place looked like a horror flick. Of course, Yates came
in mysterious ways. I just don't get his fascination.
Tell me you didn't forget. Tell me you didn't forget.
Okay. I didn't forget the asado torch, Miguel.
Excuse me, Pablo. Why do you have to what are we supposed to do? He let his slave because the Yosa brothers forgot the sword for the Garazado kid. I'm sure some of them like this. What do you do?
Uh-huh. Huh?
Okay.
Where are the ornamental torches? Go get them in the van. I want them lit before dusk.
Hey, Yosa, is dinner
Yes.
coming or what?
Salute! Almost there.
Why is the DJ
We had a
still
slide
at the
quickly
airport?
mixed up on my esteemed brother.
That he does. More hungry people.
He's gone. Looks like he made a run for it. Get out of here! Now! Move! Move!
Yeah.
PTSD, huh? You buy it?
It's not. Burnwood was in league with Grey. She's responsible for bringing how many of
The back of my neck feels all prickly. I hate big ones.
How did you know?
Your deal. That kind of power always comes with a price. What's yours?
I think you know. I am sorry. This is a necessary evil.
What have you done?
Ether brand neurotoxin transfers by touch. See, Edwards learns by his mistakes, 47. And as you've clearly demonstrated, brute force is futile. It had to be me. It was the only way.
To get this close.
My family. I know what you did. After all these years, I finally know.
I am sorry.
You didn't have a choice. I did. Providence used you, but I'm no better. All I saw was a blank slate, a weapon to wield. I told myself it was what you needed, but people aren't meant to be controlled. This is a kindness. Goodbye, Agent.